Dear viewers, today I will explain a more important problem of differential equation. This problem is based on linear differential equation, and this problem is already one time came in JEE Advanced examination. So problem is a curve is passing through a point 1 comma 2 satisfy the differential equation x dy over dx plus y equal to vx to the power 4. If the integral of fx dx is equal to 62 by 5, then calculate the value of v. So to write the solution of this problem, first we have write the given differential equation. The given differential equation is x dy over dx plus y equal to bx to the power 4. And now divide both the terms, both the sides by x. We obtain dy over dx plus 1 by x y equal to bx cube. And this is our equation 1. And this equation in the form of dy over dx plus p by equal to q. And this equation is a linear differential equation. And this equation 1 is of the form dy upon dx plus p by equal to q. So here p is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to, what is q? Q is equal to bx to the power 3. Q is equal to bx to the power 3. So now to solve this problem, we want to calculate the integrating factor. Integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? This is in short IF. This is equal to e to the power of integral p dx. So this is e to the power integral of 1 by x dx. And the integral of 1 by x dx is log x with base e. And logarithm and antilog both are cancelled out. So this is equal to x. Now this is our integrating factor. So now next step is to write the solution of the problem. So what is solution? Solution of equation 1. So y multiplied by integrating factor, this is equal to integral, the value, what is value? Bx cube and integrating factor and dx. So our integrating factor is x, so this is equal to integral bx cube into x dx. This is equal to integral bx to the power 4 dx. Now this is b constant, so this is taken to be outside from the integral. Then what is remaining? Integral x to the power 4 dx. And the integral of x to the power 4 is x to the power 5 plus c. And this is xy. What is the value of y? Y is equal to bx to the power 4 by 5 plus c. This is the value of y. But a question already given that the integral value of fx dx limit is 1 to 2. This is equal to 62 by 5. So we already know that fx equal to y, then this is y dx equal to 62 by 5. And this is integral 1 to 2. The value of y is, what is the value of y in previous page? This is bx power 4 by 5 plus c. This is bx power 4 by 5 plus c. This is dx equal to 62 by 5. So now this is to integrate the function. This is b by 5 into x to the power 5 by 5 plus cx with the limit 1 to 2 equal to 62 by 5. So now this is equal to b by 25. This is 2 power 5 plus this is 2c minus, this is upper limit, minus b by 25 into this is x means 1. This is 1 and this is plus c. This is equal to 62 by 5. So now to solve this equation, simplifying the equation, this is 32 by 25 b plus 2c minus b by 25 minus c. This is equal to 62 by 5. So now select the like terms, this term and this term is like term. So 32 minus 1, this is 31 by 35 b, and 2c minus c, this is c, this is equal to 62 by 5. Answer second. And next